creating some distance from the ordinary digital forms of money. Uniswap works on a decentralized P2P trade robotized market producer to empower the exchanging of crypto resources. Additionally, it works on conventional trades. Before we dive into the Uniswap cost expectation, let us examine a portion of the interesting elements of Uniswap. Being connected to Ethereum empowered as two savvy agreements to procure interest. Uniswap has a novel component and give liquidity straightforwardly from liquidity suppliers. This component of Uniswap goes about as a significant impetus in totally eliminating the obstacle concerning token mining. In a way, it advances straightforwardness dispensing with the go-betweens or consent completely. Subsequently, rather than the singular cryptographic forms of money, the advanced resources are connected as matches. Consequently, the liquidity gets represented for these parts as needs be. As a decentralized convention for robotized liquidity arrangement on ETH, Uniswap overwhelmed the whole crypto space when during pandemic Uniswap chose to send off this token Uni on September 17, 2020. This was wizardry for that large number of holding Uniswap as they turned moguls on September 17, 2020. While surprising the crypto world, a rush of stages administration token began administering the crypto conversations once more. Look at the Unicoin subtleties before we leap to nitty-gritty Uniswap cost forecast. Uniswap, figuring out details. The vision of Uni stands tall and firm, leaving impressions on the mechanical and practical ecospace. Uni sustains trust alongside comfort, making the existences of the Uniswap clients overall simple. There are factors separated from the over that administer the Uniswap cost dispassionately. The connection among organic market is the deep-rooted peculiarity of incongruous connection works for Uni token. Merchants come to showcase with goals that the Uniswap cryptographic money market they hold will guarantee incredible returns. In any case, because of pandemic, financial backers are constrained to search for other supporting systems or any elective flow venture choice. If the interest for decentralized finance applications goes up, it will be smart for Uni tokens as well. The more the holders begin purchasing the token for a gigantic scope, no big surprise the cost will go childhood, the inventory might descend. Uniswap change in cost occurring over these midpoints will areas of strength for show. Right now, the cost of $5.77 as shown by Uniswap is moderate yet entrepreneurial and can shoot to better levels. According to Uniswap Uni cost forecasts, this is the most proper opportunity to book benefit in the Uniswap by taking advantage of your abilities as a swing dealer. To comprehend the value changes of Uni better, it would be great to dig further into the past account of Uniswap. As indicated by Uniswap conjecture, the cost might tumble to the 51 cents toward the finish of December 2023. On the off chance that you are searching for virtual monetary standards with great return, Uni can be a terrible, high-risk one-year venture choice. In view of our tech area development expectation, the assessed Uni cost would be between $14.92 and $44.80. Significance: the cost of Uniswap is supposed to ascend by 674.11% in the most ideal situation by 2025. The greatest level that the Uni cost can reach is $9.22. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $8.22. Contrasted with what Uniswap was in January 2022, it sounds exceptionally bullish as it has shown a dependable consistency. By January 2024, it ought to effectively swing around $10.36. Uniswap value forecast 2023 to 2030. The vast majority of the government-issued types of money, as well as digital currencies, have similar awful destiny throughout the course of recent months. Numerous financial backers are as yet capturing the conflict of the leftover titans, thinking about whether it is truly worth putting resources into Uniswap, despite the fact that the coin has shown an extraordinary supporting execution somewhat recently. Many market coaches induce the bull run could be far off, while the others banter totally in an unexpected way. The ongoing cost of Uni is above $5.77, with the computerized resource Uni token having a market capitalization of $4,397,803,706.59. It is without a doubt an idealism in crypto space winning in the far-off skyline in light of Uniswap cost gauge. Uniswap value forecast 2023. As per Uniswap cost expectation 2023, the cost of Uni token might show some opposition. However, it can't be said with conviction about the positive change in value regarding whether this year would stamp the brilliant time for this digital money Uni. As per Uniswap expectation 2023, the base cost would reach to $5.20 and most extreme cost to $9.60. The typical cost would be $8.40. Uniswap forecast 2024. In view of Uni cost forecast 2024, the value amendment may likewise be powerful around this period, taking the Uniswap cost above $10. In the primary, around 50% of the cost would reach up to $10.50. Afterward, the most extreme value level may be around $11 and the base value level may be around $9.80. Uniswap Value Expectation 2025. According to the Unicost Expectation 2025, the crypto could try and arrive at another high of $12. Uniswap appears now to competition to set a record, certifying its position showing steadiness. As per Uniswap expectation, it would go up to $12.90 and the most extreme cost would reach to $14 in the year 2025. Uni Value Forecast 2026. As indicated by Unicoin Cost Forecast, the cost of Uniswap could go on towards a base value level of $15. The Uni token cost would arrive at the most extreme value level of $16.50. This could draw in merchants and individual financial backers to empty in their cash into UniKitty, and we could see positive cost change. Unicoin Value Expectation 2027. Toward the finish of 2027, the normal cost of Uniswap is supposed to cross the degree of $17. Uniswap is estimated to hit a base value level of $16.80. Likewise, the Uni cost could arrive at a greatest degree of $18. Uniswap Expectations 2028. Toward the finish of 2028, the normal cost of the Uni token is anticipated to cross of $18 according to the Unicoin Cost Expectation 2028. Uniswap is estimated to hit a base value level of $17.80. What's more, the Uni cost could arrive at a greatest degree of $18.60. Uniswap Value Gauge 2029. According to the Uniswap Forecasts 2029, the normal cost of the Uni token could cross of $19. The cost of Uniswap is estimated to hit a base degree of $18.60. Besides, the Uni token holds potential to cross a greatest degree of $19.90. Uniswap Value Forecast 2030. In view of the Unicost Forecast 2030, the normal cost of Uniswap could exchange over the $20 mark. The Uni cost is determined to hit a base degree of $20. Besides, the Uni token holds potential to cross a greatest degree of $20.80. Uniswap, a rising end. As per Uniswap Cost Expectation, there are incredible expectations the crypto local area holds for Uni, and it is clearly an ideal apparatus for designers and architects producing all the more such decentralized applications. Taking into account Uniswap is a new venture and gullible locally, it depends on the initiative group to provide it the ideal guidance to upgrade the objectives set with the end goal of a greater cost. There are more splendid skylines, yet everything reduces to the reality how the whole computerized money industry flourishes. Does Uniswap have a future? Presently, the exchanging volume of Uniswap is $89,658,217.34, and the market cap of $4,406,839,605.28 in the crypto market. The ongoing cost of Uniswap is $5.77. On the off chance that dedicated financial backers stay firm in their confidence in the cash, the Uni token cost is certainly going to rise and have a brilliant future ahead. An expected level of effort is likewise prompted with protected by copyright law. For what reason?